Then what about this point is clearly?
A comma 0. See, 0 comma
0
A.
comma a,
0
sir.
comma
That
A
is 0 comma minus a.
0
minus
comma
2A.
minus A.
So what about this one? This okay, this side is 2A, this is also length.
Sir, height of an equivalent triangle root 3a by 2.
Okay, so here we have to find the length. I mean this vertex. For that, this will form a right angle triangle. Am I right? Just to
Yes,
find
sir.
the length. So we know that this is 2A, this is A. Is it difficult to find that length? See, I'm taking this triangle. This triangle I'm going to take here. Indeed, this is clearly right angle triangle of length. This is A, this is 2A. With help of the uh, Pythagoras theorem, is it difficult
Sir,
to
root
find?
3A. Sir, root 3A.
I'm going to take this is like O 0 comma 0, and this is capital A, this is capital B. Now with help of Pythagoras theorem, what shall we write? AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Got it? Now what
Yes,
is
sir.
AB square? This is 2A, the whole square is equal to OA.
Sir, O are equal to root 3a.
OA value I want to take this as x. So shall I write here in place of OA x square?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
x
Square
square
plus
plus
a square.
a square. From that x square is equal to 3a square. Got it?
Okay, sir.
X is equal to
Root
plus or
3A.
minus root 3
Root
into a.
3A.
Got it? X is equal to plus or minus root 3 means here the equilateral triangle, it may be left side of the y-axis or it may be right side of the y-axis. It may be any one of the side. I may take like this left side of the y-axis. It is also equilateral triangle. The base must be lies on the
Y-axis.
y-axis. So what is the point here x values?
Sir,
Root
plus
3
or
comma
minus
a is
root
0.
3A comma 0.
This is
Minus root 3A comma 0.
that's it. These are the vertices. Okay, the base of equilateral of side 2a lies along the y-axis, such that the midpoint of the base is at origin. Then the vertices of the triangle are, what are the vertices finally? One is, what are the three vertices here?
0 comma a, 0 comma minus a,
Yeah, exactly.
root 3a comma 0.
0
Similarly,
comma
Sir,
a,
plus or
0
minus root
comma
0
a,
3a.
0
comma minus a,
minus
and
3a
plus or
comma.
minus root 3a comma 0. Plus or minus root 3a comma 0. That's it. Got it? Simple. And coming to the third one, when you observe the third one, find the
Third one
distance
is only, sir.
PQ parallel to. Yeah, this concept is very easy, like
So as it is parallel to y-axis, sir, x coordinates will be equal, so it will become 0, sir, in distance formula.
right. Look at here. First one. Find the distance between P and Q. Find the first subdivision is PQ parallel to. Okay, I'm taking
Y-axis.
P will be here. PQ is parallel to y-axis.
So
Parallel to
straight,
y-axis.
sir.
Shall I take Q is here?
Yes, sir.
It's not necessary that the Q is fourth quadrant, P is first quadrant. Wherever you
Yes, sir.
take, you may take P in second quadrant, Q in third quadrant, or P in third quadrant, Q in second quadrant, or both will be in first quadrant, both will be. But anyhow, if we joining both the points, this line segment must be parallel to the y-axis. Is it parallel to y-axis or not? This is x1, y1.
Yes, sir.
See,
Sir, here both of the x coordinates are equal, sir.
exactly. That is very important. That you have to observe here. Whenever it is parallel to this is clearly when I take x comma 0, this is also x, this is also x, so that whenever it is parallel to the y-axis, x
Substitute in
coordinates
the
of
distance, you will get the answer.
x1 is equal to x2. X coordinates are same. Then what is the distance formula, students? Root over
x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That
Okay,
is
what is
0, sir.
x1 is equal to?
That is
Clearly?
0
Yeah, 0
plus
plus
y2 minus y1 whole square, sir, which is equal to modulus of y2 minus y1.
exactly y2 minus y1. Because the distance cannot be negative, so that we should take modulus. Simple strength parallel to y-axis means x1 is equal to x2. Parallel to y-axis means simply remember student, y-axis means modulus y2 minus y1. Parallel to x-axis means modulus x2 minus x1. That's it. X-axis parallel to x2 minus x1. Parallel to y-axis y2 minus y1. Got it? A simple question. Coming to the fourth one. Fourth one, find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 7, 6. So simple questions here. This we can do. I'm going to x-axis, y-axis. I'm going to take point on the x-axis like I'm taking x comma 0. There is a 2 points. What are the 2 points? One is 7, 6, 3, 4. 3, 4 I'm going to take here. 3, 4. 7, 6 I'm going to take here. See, the thing is here from the point on the x-axis which has equidistance to the given both. So whatever the distance it has from, let us take this is capital A, this is the point capital B, this is capital C. Nothing but here AB must be equal to AC. Got it? The distance from A to B should be equal to A to C. That is the value there. See here? Find the point on x-axis. On x-axis, y value 0. So that point I'm taking as x comma 0. Then which is equidistance from these 2 points, right? Equidistance. So nothing but very simple. AB is equal to AC. A value, then distance formula, what is? Root over AB value. X minus 3 the whole square plus 0 minus 4 the whole square is equal to same x minus 7 the whole square plus 0 minus 6 the whole square. That's it. So here root over, simplify this. Simplify this, you'll get x values to it. X minus 3 whole square, here 4 square 16.
The squaring on both sides.
First we have to, okay, right, that is also right. When we sparing on both sides, so x minus 3 the whole square plus 4 square, x minus 7 the whole square, minus 6 whole square plus 6 square. Now you have to expand and simplify, you'll get
Come
direct.
as a square plus 25 minus 6a, sir. And in that side will come as a square minus 14a plus 85.
Yeah, x square get cancelled on both sides. Okay, x square get cancelled, we'll get directly x value. Right, coming to the question number 4. What is question number 4? Oh, sorry. Question number 5 we completed. Now coming to the question number 10. Find the angle between x-axis and the line joining. A very simple students. We have to find the slope. They have given 2 points. What are the 2 points they have given? Just tell me that. What are the given?
So 3 comma minus 1.
3 comma
Minus 1.
okay.
4 comma minus 2.
4 comma minus 1. Minus 2. So what is the question here means, when we joining these 2 points, like for example 3 comma minus 1, where is 3 comma here? 3 minus 1 here. So nothing but here this point is I'm taking as 3 comma minus 1. Another point is 4 comma minus 2. When I extend this line, when I take this point is 3, this point is 4, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. Here, this point we are going to get 4 comma minus 2. When I joining these 2 points,
Sir, we need to find the slope, sir. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, sir. We can equate with tan theta. There, like that, we will get the answer, sir. That's all, sir.
good. So, let us take x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now I'm going to find the slope m is equal to Slope only we need to find. So x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus of minus 1 by y2 minus y1. So 4 minus, this is equal to minus 1 by 1, that is equal to minus 1. So see students, when I extend this line equation,
The tan inverse 1, sir.
yeah, we may get like this.
Minus 1,
Now,
minus 1.
what shall we do here? We have to find this angle, theta.
Sir, it should be
So
less than 180 degree only, sir. And tan theta will be negative in second quadrant, sir. So theta equal to 135 degree.
exactly. So tan theta, m is equal to tan theta, that we know that m value is minus 1. So the tan theta is minus 1. Tan theta is negative in which quadrant? Second and okay. So
Fourth
whatever the
quadrant it
line
will
you have to
be
take,
negative, sir.
whatever the line you have to take, it maximum the degree 0 to 180. The theta lies between 0 to 180. It's not exceed that 180. It's not exceed 180. Got it? When tan theta is equal to minus 1, tan theta value is minus 1. Shall I write this minus 1 as minus tan 45? Okay. So tan, what is 180 minus theta?
130.
Yeah.
Tan
180
theta.
minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. Now theta, when I cancel these two, theta is equal to 180 minus
133.
135. That we know very
Sir,
well.
we can do directly also, no, sir. Theta will be, tan theta will be 1 in consecutives of 45, no, sir.
Yeah, if it is objective question, directly we'll write within 10 seconds. But in NCERT, you have to write like 135. Next question. Okay, the slope of the line is double the slope of another line. Slope of the line means I'm taking this slope of the line, m1. Slope of the another line is double. Nothing but m1 is equal to 2m2 or else m2 is equal to 2m1. That's your wish. The slope of the line is double
Sir,
the
we can
slope.
take m1 is equal to 2m2, sir.
Like that you can take. Here m1 is equal to 2 times of m2. Okay, after that, the tangent of an angle between them is 1 by 3. Find the slope of the tangent. So what shall we do, students, here? Is it difficult one? No. Not at all difficult.
So tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2.
Exactly, because the angle between two lines. I'm going to explain the concept of angle between. For example, this is line L1. This is line L2. This is L1. This is L2. Angle between these two lines is theta. Then whatever the angle between these two lines, pi minus theta. One is acute angle, another one is obtuse angle. So here I want to find this theta value for the tan theta is equal to, see here, the angle between two lines with alpha of the slope. The slope of the line L1 is M1, the slope of the line L2 is M2, then angle between two lines is given by M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. Okay.
Sir, it is like
So
tan of A minus B, sir.
tan of
A minus B, sir. That only
exactly,
will come as.
exactly. So anyhow here tangent m1 m2 nothing but what, students? M1 nothing but tan theta only, m2 nothing but tan theta. M1 is what I'm taking. I want to take tan alpha. M2 I want to take tan beta. Anyhow when I replace m1 by tan alpha, m2 by tan beta, then tan theta is equal to tan alpha minus beta will get. Okay, that is second point. But remember this formula, students. Everyone must be remember tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 in that year. the angle of the tangent of an angle depth is 1 by 3. Nothing but what you observe, students, here.
Sir, we will get a quadratic equation, sir. We need to simplify that, sir.
Simple, here. What is m1 value? 2m2. Am I right? Fine. Okay. In the given question, m1 is equal to 2m2. Okay, substitute values here. Then tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus of 2m2 by m1. M1
Sir,
means,
you have written opposite, sir. 2m2 minus m2 only will come, no, sir.
okay, right. We can convert it into completely m2. That is better. Correct.
Sir,
So,
like that, if we simplify, means we will get 2m2 square minus 9m2 plus 1 is equal to 0, sir.
yeah. Okay, so but here, already in the question, the tangent of the angle between means this tan theta value, tangent of an angle. What does that mean by tan theta?
Sir, tan theta is equal to 1 by 3, sir.
Actually, this we need to write tangent of theta, we have to write actually. But in simple way, we'll write tan theta. Okay. So tangent to theta means tan theta. So this tan theta value clearly they have given
1 by 3, sir. So 1 by 3 equal to plus or minus. We can take the modulus, sir. So plus or minus will come.
Sir, we can square on both the sides and remove the modulus, no, sir.
Yeah, you may.
Then 1 by 9 is equal to m2 by 1 plus 2m2 square, sir. We
Sir,
can
for
cross
removing
multiply.
modulus, it will come plus or minus only, no, sir.
Now again we are going to get a quadratic equation. We have to solve that. Yeah, you may, here we may do in different ways. Like 1 by 3 is equal to plus m2 by 1 plus 2m2 square.
Or
Another
1
is,
by 3 equal to minus m2 by 1 plus 2m2 square. Now 4 equations will come, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, but it's too complicated, sir.
yeah, case 1. You have to solve in each case. Some questions are like that only.
4 solutions will come, sir.
Yeah. Here, solve second one. Both we are going to get in quadratic equation. So both
So
we
for
have to,
1 it will come 1 and 1 by 2. For next one it will come minus 1 and minus 1 by 2.
for first one is
1 and 1 by 2, sir.
second one.
Minus 1 and minus 1 by 2.
Got it, students?
So M1
Sir,
will be 2 and 1, sir. Minus 2 and minus 1.
Yeah, fine. So here we got plus 1 by 2, minus 1,
then
minus
we will
1.
get 4 m1 values, no, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 4 possible slopes. That's all.
See, accordingly, the slope of Line is double the slope of
Sir,
other.
only 2 slopes we need to do now, sir. But we have got 4 slopes now, sir.
Yeah, we may get. The thing is, yeah, here the what are the values we got here? What are the possibilities are there?
So
Only
1 and 2.
required. Whether it may be
1 and 2.
1 and 2, -1, comma -2.
1/2, comma 1. -1/2, comma -1.
Yes, sir. That are the possibilities of it, sir.
exactly. So here the slope of the lines are -1 and -2.
-2. -1/2 and -1.
Okay.
1 and 2. 1/2 and 1.
These are the 4 possibilities. Got it? Okay, next question. If the line passes through x1, y1 and h comma k, the slope of the line is m. Show that slope of the line is,
Sir, we need to just cross multiply, sir. We will get the answer.
that's it, that's it. The line passes through 2 points, nothing but what is the slope? 2 points,
y2
one
minus
is,
y1 by x2 minus x1, sir.
another point is h comma k. First, joining these 2 points, we'll get a line segment. Every line segment having slope. What is the slope? K minus y1 by h minus x1. Just cross multiply. When I cross multiply, h minus x1 into k is equal to, sorry, m is equal to got it? Hence we
Third
prove or
one
not?
we can have to add a area of triangle formula equal to 0.
See, proved or not? I found the m value, just I cross multiplied.
No, sir, I am saying for next question, sir.
Okay, okay. Next one. It is like a intersect form, students, actually.
So slope of AB equal to slope of BC. That formula we can use now, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we can also use area of triangle and equal to 0, no, sir. They are given in same line.
When you come to the graph of the next one, graphical representation of next one is yeah. So when we draw the line here, this point is clearly a comma 0. This point is clearly 0 comma b, and this is passing to the point a comma b. Okay. Then we have to prove that the a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. A by h plus b by k is equal to 1. For that, what shall we do? First, we have to find the equation of the line with help of these 2 points. Slope. So what shall we do, students? Take 2 points, like
Sir, we can equate area of triangle in equal to 0 and 2, no, sir.
okay, 3 points of the area, not don't want.
Sir,
So
we can
yes,
find slope of h comma 0, a comma b, and a comma b 0 comma k.
okay, fine. Okay, as you said, the slopes means what are the given points? Amma? Given 3 points, you can take as A, B, C. One is, I think so, h comma 0. Another one is a comma b and 0 comma h. Am I right? Yes. So these 3 points lies on the same line.
0 comma k, sir.
See here, when you observe the graph here, All 3 points are lies on the same line.
Sir, 0, k, sir.
Zero comma k. Okay. Right. Now slope of AB. What is slope of AB? X2 minus C students, let us take this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Slope of a y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
Sir,
So
b
slope
minus
of
0 by a minus x is equal to k minus
b
b by
minus
0
0
minus
by
h. b minus 0 by a minus h is equal to k minus b by 0 minus h.
yeah. Next to slope of
If we equate, we can find it, sir.
okay, like here.
k minus b by
Formula.
0 minus h.
Okay.
So we should cross multiply, sir.
Now what shall we do, Amu?
Cross multiply, sir. AK minus AB equal to.
So you have written b minus k, sir, that is b minus 0.
Which is k minus b by 0 minus a. When I take minus common and cancel, we get b minus k by a only,
Okay,
no?
sir, okay, sir.
Now collinear, so that the slope of AB is equal to, let us take this is M2, slope of BC is, this is, let us take M1.
Sir, it is already given as coordinate only, I think, sir.
Okay, that only, they have given lies on the same line. Lies on the same line means
Then,
collinear.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Then
sir,
directly we
then
can
how we
equalize
can
and
write
cross.
M1 equal to M2, sir?
Yeah,
We can cross multiply now, sir. Now.
yeah, we can do the cross multiply for that first. We want to know the M1 value. M1 value is what?
Sir, if we cross multiply, we will get ab is equal to ak minus kh like that, sir.
B by A minus H.
By a, sir.
Yeah, cross multiply and you can make them. Because you know this kind of, you can change it to this. Yeah, you can cross multiply A, B is equal to A minus H into B minus K multiply and can make them to given conditions. So this is AB, here also AB.
ab will cancel, sir. Plus kh, sir. So kh, sir.
Okay. Right now,
Sir,
AB,
AB we can cancel, sir.
Sir, you
AK
will
plus
get
BH equal to minus KH.
each and every term dividing
Yes,
with,
sir.
to divide by kh, sir.
after this, what do you observe here?
A by H plus B by K equal to minus 1.
So
Sir,
that
that
is
is
not
plus
minus
KH,
kh.
sir. Sir, that is plus KH.
Where
Sir, if
minus
you
to minus
multiply,
one.
no, sir. Yes, sir.
That only I'm
Plus
thinking
1.
because in the question they have given right side is plus 1. So minus it to minus plus it will be.
Equal
So
to plus. Hence proof.
yeah, once again, so clearly in the question they have given that 3 points lies on the same line so that 3 points are collinear. Whenever it is collinear, the slope of any 2 points is equal to slope of another 2 points. Like okay, Like 3 points are given, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of AC also. Okay. Use that condition, simplify, you'll get the direct answer. Got it? What you observe, students, consider the following population and year graph. Population and year graph.
Slope is easy, sir. With that slope, we can equate and we can have the coordinates as 2010, 0, 2010, y1, sir. So we can substitute, means we will get the answer.
Okay, what do you want to take this way? This is x1, y1.
The slope we are getting as 1 by 2, sir.
The slope of straight line is constant, sir. So we can all throughout the line the m value will be same, sir.
So slope equal to, we can consider that B point and 2010, y1, that point, sir.
Okay.
If we equate, means we'll get the answer.
Fine. Slope, what is the slope after simplifying this?
1 by 2, sir.
When I take the given 2 points on the curve, like I want to take as x1, y1 and x2, y2. These are the 2 points they are given on the line. So find the population here in 2010. So here m value is clearly, what is m value?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. We got 1 by 2. Because now 5 by 10 we'll get 5 by 10 nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Here we got here 1 by 2 is the slope. Okay. And after that,
Sir, 1 by 2, m equal to y3 minus 97 by 2010 minus 1995.
what about remaining students? They are asking the point here when 2010, the population in crore.
Right, and find slope of BC, sir. Let C be the point
2010,
2010, y, sir.
Yes, exactly. You can take y coordinate as y. So this is the one of the point. We have to frequently find y value. Here slope of, then what shall we do? Slope of AB is equal to, if I take the point is C, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. You may take, otherwise slope of AB is equal to slope of AC also. Yeah, from that when we equating that, you'll get directly y value. Can anyone do this?
Sir, we'll get
The 104.5, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 104.
Yes, sir. 104.5.
Is it right, students? Once you check the book back.
Yes, sir, 104.5 crores.
It will
Okay.
come like 209 divided by 2, sir.
In 10 years, it will be increased 5 crores. Then till in 85 to 95, the population increased 10 crores. Sorry, 5 crores. But another 15 years. Sorry, another
7.5 crores increased.
how many years? Another 15 years. It will increase mostly
7.5 crores, sir.
yeah. Got it?
In 2010, 104.5 crores. That's all, no, sir.
Yeah, this y value is, and the number of population is 104.4. Got it? Very simple. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. This is about last one. The next concept is very interesting, that various forms of the equation of a line. I'm going to explain the different forms. Okay. Types of straight lines. Okay, first I'm going to find all the line equation. I'm going to explain it. First one is slope intercept form. The equation is y is equal to mx plus c. I'm going to explain individual. First I'll write all the types. Slope intercept form. Here m is called the slope. And c is called y-intercept. M is called slope, c is called. Coming to the graph of that, when I draw the graph, this line, yeah, here this line can make us an angle theta positive direction of x-axis, and here some distance is there from origin to the y-axis. Let us take c. Okay. Then in this case, the equation of line, this line, the equation of this line can be written as y is equal to mx plus c. So theta, when theta is given, is it difficult to find m? M is equal to tan theta. We can use the tan theta formula. Then we'll get m, substitute here. Surely they'll give in the question y intercept to c value. Substitute c value, m value, you'll get the line equation. Second one is point slope form. Point slope form. And the graphical representation for this.
Sir, can you repeat what is y, what is x, what is c, sir, for the previous one?
Yeah, x and y are always a point in the plane, point on the line. So that is fixed in all the types, like this point x comma y. X comma y is any point on the line that is a moving point, that is a fixed point. Like, but coming to m is the slope. Slope means every line can make an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, right? Here an angle theta. When I use tan theta formula, we'll get m value. M value substitute here. Already slope intercept, y-intercept, definitely they'll give in the question.
So then c, sir. Then c value, sir.
C value y-intercept, for example. Question how they are going to ask. Find the equation of line which can make an angle theta is equal to 30 and y-intercept is 4. Okay, they may have given a question like this. Find the equation of line which makes an angle 30 degrees with y-intercept is 4. Nothing but what shall we do? Take
4 equal to y, x by 3, x by root 3 plus c.
Yeah, c is equal to 4 and theta is equal to 30.
C equal to 4, sir.
C is equal to 4.
Okay, sir.
Y-intercept, clearly they have mentioned y-intercept.
Okay,
C is
sir.
equal to
root
4.
3 y is equal to x plus 4 root 3.
Yeah, Mirdal?
Sir, answer is, sir, y root 3 is equal to x plus 4 root 3.
Yeah, tan 30 you need to find. M is equal to, clearly we know that tan theta. With help of theta, tan theta, you can find tan 30 will give M. C value already direct, they have given 4. Like, surely they'll give y-intercept. No need to find that. Okay. Next, point slope form. Point slope form means very simple students, but instead of y-intercept, they may give some other value. Like I'm going to take the line like this. This is the given line. I want to find the equation of this line. For that, theta is given. Theta, it may be 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, like that. Okay, and this line also passing through the point x1 comma y1.
Sir, we can use m is equal to tan theta equal to. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
A point is nothing but x1 y1. Slope nothing but with help of an angle theta. Okay, an angle theta. Theta is given. How can you find slope?
The tan theta.
Yeah. Then when theta is given with help of tan theta, you can find m value. Then the equation of line in this case y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is called the slope point form. X1, Y1 is a point, M is a slope point form. Okay, that is the name alone I have written here.
Sir,
Cartesian
with the
point.
help of this equation, you will get another point, sir.
If you forget, yes.
Sir, with the help of this equation, you will get the value of another point, sir. X2, Y2.
Yeah, we can find that is called in different, that is different. Like symmetric form, we are going to find another point. Symmetric point.
Sir, in this formula, what is y and what is x, sir? X1, y1 you have given, sir. What is y
X1,
and x?
Y1 is a point. X comma Y is always a point on the line. This is fixed. I told you, no. Here also x comma y is any point on the line.
Sir, we need to find x comma y in the equation, sir. That's all, sir.
We need to find?
X and y in the equation, sir.
No need to find x and y. Without, see, whenever you want to write line equation or circle equation or parabola, whatever the equation you can take, we have to write in terms of x comma y only. Am I right? Without x, y, can you write any equation in geometry?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. We will substitute
That is
x1 and
x
y1
comma.
value. Find the equation, sir.
We have to substitute the given point. It may be like 2 comma 3.
Sir, understood, sir. Yes, sir.
We have to substitute in place of x and y1 and in place of like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
X comma y is fixed point on the line. If they are circle on the circle, it is a
For
fixed
getting the equation, we need x comma y. So only
yes.
we have.
That is x comma